Hello YouTube. So yeah, the Triumph guy here. Believe it or not, I'm doing a quick video on the girlfriend's Nissan Cube. You're probably thinking, why is he doing a video on Nissan Cube? Well, I actually picked up the cabin air filter with my Triumph Spitfire, so that's the relevance, believe it or not. Yeah, please make sure that you, if you find the video useful, then please drop it a like and subscribe to the channel, as there's going to be plenty of how-to videos on my Triumph Spitfire, as well as my girlfriend's car and potentially even my daily, which is a Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, and you see there is the little blue box there, and I will be putting it in the description. So yeah, so you've got 4 bolts at the top, 2 in the middle, and they're all Phillips. So here's the 3 at the bottom, which you need to remove. Don't worry, they are magnetic, so do stick. Here's your 2 in the middle. And here is your 4 screws you need to remove at the top. Then it should just pull out like so. And the filter is actually housed inside a small cap, which here it is. Then using a flat head, just lift up on the 2 clips, and it should just pull out, exposing the filter itself. At the bottom of the filter, there is a small tag, which you can pull on to take it out, and it should just pull out nice and easily, like so. Here is how dirty my girlfriend's filter was. So yeah, it was due a clean. And here's the nice new one. Make sure you crimp the end before putting it in. And the tag is at the bottom. You need to make sure that the tag's at the bottom and is facing towards you. And then just place the glove bolts back in. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe.